Hi, today Army Recognition is at the first edition of the International Mountain Troop Summit in Grenoble. For this second day, we will focus on Polaris with their all-terrain vehicles. Then, we have an interview of DroneShield, an Australian company who provide counter-drone solutions. Enjoy the video.
Okay, hello, welcome on the Polaris booth for Polaris Defense. I'm Philippe Huget, the manager for France for the defense parts. Presenting today during this summit three vehicles. First of all, the Alpha Arctic, just behind me, with specification dedicated to snow and Arctic conditions, with a full cabin, with tracks, heater inside to have better conditions for the guys inside the engine. All the Polaris products except the snowmobile can be used with snow, because we can use tracks, or without snow. So the product can be used along the year depending of the conditions that you have. You can go in the mud, you can go on the road, you can go on the grass, and you can go on the snow when you got tracks on the product. The same thing for the side-by-side that we've got just behind me, called the Alpha. And you've got the same thing on the ATVs, called the MV850. So the French Army is already a Fidel customer. You can see on the show other products that are owned by the French Army. We would like to present them the new product, the Alpha, because they've got some Ranger, and they've got the not the old generation, but the oldest product called the MRZR D4, and this one is the Evolution, so more capacity of traction, of payload, and the engine is different because we've got a car engine on it, and we lose the belt. That's the specification of our product.
I'm working for Australian DroneShield. That's an Australian company. We are working globally present, and I'm spearheading the business in Europe. And we are manufacturing, developing state-of-the-art counter-drone equipment based on radio frequency technology. Yes, on the table here I have equipment or products for dismounted soldiers, soft infantry, boots on the ground, small wearable detector. With this one, the soldier will be able to detect a drone in the area. It will give the frequencies where it's detecting omnidirectional, all bands. And with this information, the soldier can prepare his drone gun, small drone gun, 3 kilos, and you will simply point at the drone, aim, pull the trigger, and the drone will come down, because you cut the communication between the pilot and the drone, and you disturb the video signal, and you jam the GPS. So basically, the drone will come down. This one is very handy, especially for mountain troops. Soft because it's very light. This one is big and powerful. This is more made for police. It's good to be kept in the vehicle, so you can take it out if you see a drone. So those are the wearable product line. Besides this, we have a product like this one. This is made especially for on-the-move detection for vehicles, RIPS vessels. It's IP67 certified. It's tested with salt water. Normally I will call this product an all-inclusive solution. Jamming 360 degrees. You will get the direction to the drone. If you have multiple units, you'll be able to do triangulation, so you'll get the position of the drone and the pilot. You have jamming, all capabilities, and everything can be operated from a small tactical tablet when soldiers they go on an ATV or an armored vehicle. Yeah. This is definitely a race. We are not that concerned about our competitors because there's a lot of business in this counter-drone business for now. We are much more concerned about keeping track on the new developments on the drone side, the drones used for military purposes. So to counter this, we have more than 150 engineers in Sydney, and they're trying to keep up with new developments. And for us, it's important to have access to more or less intelligence on a day-to-day basis, where we get the latest frequencies, tactics, how to operate the drones, and then we will come up with a solution. So we're always on the back foot, but we try to keep the lead time as small as possible. This is a race, definitely. Yeah, I'm generally here. Of course, I love to be in France, but this is generally to address and to meet mountain troops. We are working well with SOF all across the world. We are working well with MOD's infantry. We have not worked that much with mountain troops so far, so I'm here to showcase our products towards the professionals of the mountain troop units and the Mountain Troop Excellence Warfare Center.
Yeah, so my name is Jan Knutti. I'm a CEO of the company called Polaris. We'll come from Finland. Everything related to the cold and extreme heat insulating is our cup of tea. It's a nano-stealth material. It's a completely new kind of concealment technology that we're using. We can hide targets from completely from radar, from thermal imaging devices, electromagnetic signature. Then we created an Arctic battle dress uniform. Most of the battle dress uniform manufacturers, they are concentrating on the 5% of when the soldier is in the target. But in Arctic conditions, it's 95% of soldier going into the target, doing their 5% of whatever they're doing, and then they have to come back. So we're concentrating on that 95% because the conditions can be really, really harsh. Similar kind of a solution is for the overalls. They're highly used in Nordic country armies. Really easy to go in if you're full kitted. You don't have to take off any of your kit. You can just open up the side zippers, put it on and close it, and it completely isolates you from the cold. And they're extremely light because we use next generation materials like aerogel. Yeah, we're just over here, representing our gear and meeting people from the different armies.
Hi, I'm Ben Shepherd from the UK. I'm representing Faction Tactical here at SITM. Faction is a Swiss ski brand that is new into this space. Myself and a colleague have worked with them for some years to help them develop a tactical ski that enables them to sell to this market. It's based on the Agent ski, which is a very popular ski touring ski within the Faction range. It's manufactured in Austria in the AMA factory, and we've renamed it the Secret Agent for obvious reasons. It fits better into this market. You'll see behind me it's got a multicam top sheet. That is the Agent 2 version, or the Secret Agent 2 version, but that is applicable across the whole Agent range. The Secret Agent ski is ideal for this environment, this market, and the military use because it's a strong, robust touring ski that skis well for all abilities, both from a novice all the way to an advanced instructor. We believe it's a robust ski that will last the test of time on a long operational deployment. It has beefed up edges and a tougher base sheet, and skis brilliantly on the down and is light enough for the uphills. We've also, with the Faction range, we've got a extendable ski pole and skins to obviously give you the traction to go uphill with the skis. It's a small collection, but we firmly believe it's a good option for any of the cold weather mountain warfare troops that are looking for a ski touring setup that will take them into the high mountains of the Arctic or the Alps.